from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Fiat 500 here on a 2014 plate. It's a 64 plate, so it could be classed as 2015 as well. I'm replacing the main dip bulb, which is a low beam bulb on this one. I'm going to show you how it's done. It's quite a simple procedure, but before that I'll show you which one. If I push the ignition on, as you can see there, this one isn't working and that one there is working. We're just going to check the full beam, make sure if that's in the same bulb. No, that's the bottom one. So we're only going to change the low beam bulb, which is right here. The bulb you need is a H7 bulb. You can find a link for it in the description, where to get it from as well. So what you do, remove this cap. Once you remove the cap, put that somewhere safe, and then you push up on this, and at the same time pull it out. Okay, so once you take it out, just remember how you take the bulb out. So the pin locator on the H7 is on the top, so that's how the bulb kind of goes back in as well. And then these are the locators for this, basically. Okay, so what we're going to do now is take the bulb out. Old one, that's out, get the new one. Just remember, don't touch the lens when you're putting the new one in as well. Do not touch the lens. Slot it in. Done. And then what we do, we'll put it back together now. Now if you did find this video useful and you saved a lot of money, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and there's a special thanks button as well. Click on that where you can. Thank you. Right, okay, that's all in. I'm just gonna put it back together and then check the lights. Now you can see that there is working as well as that one. That's all it was on this model. It is a Fiat 500. There is a playlist for Fiat as well. Do check that out. There's a playlist for the bulbs as well. Do check it out. If you've got any other cars, you can go onto the playlist. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And don't forget the special thanks button. Thank you and goodbye.